Good morning, guys. My name is Euphrates, but you can call me Yuri, so that's UR1. Easy to memorize. Alright, so welcome to the Cordilleras, and looking on the photo we have, it is this is one of the food that we usually have here in the Cordilleras. So we have the usual fried sweet potato, garnished with sugar. It's usually used, it is sometimes a snack. It can also be some use it as an appetizer actually. Okay, some restaurants. And if you see, the usual we have the rice and the viand. Alright, if you see the rice, it's colorful. Okay, this is actually the same. Okay, what makes it colorful is they add a special glutinous rice that is actually used also for tapoy. The tapoy, in Ifugao it's called fufu. It's yes, I know. It's like what fufu. It's way the same to the word food. So that you need, okay, if you're going to cook that one, it needs to be just enough for your palm, because it makes the rice bitter and you won't enjoy it. Alright. What if you see in the viand, that is one delicacy that we eat, and it's called agrong, or in Kankanay, agudong. Okay. It is, you can usually find this one in rice fields. Okay. And it doesn't actually harm the rice, which is way different from kohol. Alright, so if you, for foreigners, we have foreigners especially coming from Europe, southern part, it's the same thing with France and Spain, they have this one. So I hope we can taste this one. I'm not sure if the Farmer's Daughter restaurant serve this one. I can show you also around. So welcome and see you. I hope you enjoy the tour. Okay, thank you.
We're representing center number 4. So, good afternoon, mabuhay. Magandang hapon. Ako po si Sonia, your tour guide for today. So, our tour will be Baguio tour. So, our guest is requesting for a one-day tour in Baguio. So, nagmamadali sila. Gusto nila ma-experience ang Cordilleran tour in one day. So we'll be picking up the guests at 9 a.m. in their hotel. So siguro naman nag-breakfast na sila. So our destination, because we are rushing, our destination will be in Tamawan Village. So why Tamawan Village? Because we all know that Tamawan Village is a one-stop shop, which is a cultural and an artist village, right? So Tamawan means vantage point, or highest point where you can see overlooking. So I took them in Tamawan Village so that they could experience a one-stop shop, which is also an artist village, a souvenir shop, and they can also experience the Kanyao. They have this performance, a dance performance, which is Kanyao, and then they can also experience how they do the Kanyao and how they butcher the pig. So I took them in the Village. In Tamawan village, they were having a cultural show. They were showing the kanyang, the ritual. The kanyang is the ritual of the Cordilleran people, which is thanking their gods for a good harvest and also for occasions like weddings, they do kanyang, and also for death. If there's a death, they also do the kanyang ritual. So the guests can experience that cultural show, and then the kanyang, the ritual, and there are also art and cultural activities there. As we all know, Tamawan Village is an artist heaven. I mean, all the artists can showcase their artwork in Tamawan. So there's also a museum. There's also a souvenir shop that showcase Cordilleran attire, Inabel, souvenir shops, artworks. They also have the Sagada hut, Sagada hut and Kalinga hut. So they also show that the traditional Sagada and Kalinga hut. What else is in what else is in Tamawan? They also showcase the artwork of Jordan Mangosan, which is a Baguio solar artist. They also have a sample of the bulol, which is the rice gourd of the Cordilleran. And then after that, if they finish going around, they can have their lunch in the Tamawan Cafe. So I ordered the Tamawan salad with the smoked beef and herb dressing, sinigang na bagnet, chop suey, and their famous Benguet blend brewed coffee. So that's the popular coffee in Tamawan or in Baguio. And then after they have their breakfast, their lunch, I will take them to the Stone Kingdom, which is just nearby. So in Stone Kingdom, they will see the stone structures. They can also taste the strawberry taho outside the Stone Kingdom. So after that, after they go around the Stone Kingdom, they could. I would also take them to the farmer's daughter for snacks, or to experience the food in farmer's daughter. So farmer's daughter's restaurant serves authentic Cordilleran cuisine. So in 2021, Farmer's Daughter was listed in the Essence of Asia as one of the 50 best restaurants that serves authentic Cordilleran cuisine. So I will not miss it na ma-experience nila yung cuisine sa Farmer's Daughter, so I will take them there. And I will order the salad tong soy, which is a watercress salad with tomato and cucumber, sprinkled with vinaigrette. And also the pinunek, which is the blood sausage, or it's like the dinuguan. That was like a dinuguan that was a sausage dinuguan. That was like a sausage dinuguan. And also the stir-fried kinuday, which is smoked meat. And for dessert, I ordered pie toy, or the sweetened mashed taro roots. So I think that's it for the day. The guests are rushing, so they wanted to experience the Cordillera in one day. So I think I did make them experience the Cordillera GC. That will be all. Thank you so much. And the next presenter will be, and that is for the one-day tour. And the next presenter will be the 3-day tour.
Ito parang kulay na lettuce. Ito po ay made of pinipig, ay made of young grains, di ba? Yung palay. Pag yan ay bata pa, green talaga yan. So ipapalo siya mano-mano. So for me, it's artisanal. And it's very rare for people to harvest na green. So kaya halimbawa sa Maynila, pag may makikita niyan, pinagkakaguluhan. Sa Pampanga, in different parts of the Philippines, called duman. Diba? So ito, tuwa-tuwa ako nung nakita ko siya na nagpipenta. Kasi lahat na nandiyan. Nakita ko rin yan sa Benguet. Alright, palagpakan natin si June. Si June is actually very charming. Pag nakatayo ka dito, you command a presence. Meron kang gift of presence. Ano? Parang ano daw? So you just have to manage your time. Diba? Yung storytelling mo, behind mo at the time element. Pero maganda yung kwento mo, na-distinguish mo pa na there are two types of honey and all that. So, magandang kwento yun. Okay, thank you. Alam na anong tawag dito? Pinipig. Pinipig ay yung young grains na hindi mo, yung ina-harvest mo siya. That's the chlorophyll of the rice, kaya siya green. Chlorophyll yan din yung content ng mga vegetables. Pero yan kasi, ganyan, tapos pinamo siya, green siya talaga, so very precious yan. Kaya madali siyang maubos kasi hindi yan araw-araw na nakukuha. Okay, thank you. Ano? Isa pang photo.
Yung kamukha pala, may kamukha pala, here in Benguet, meron din kanya, kaso nga lang, hindi ang process nila is yung sinusunog nila. Tapos,
Yes.
Tapos babayuhin niya.
Yes.
Usually kasi yung tawag nila dun sa kapaan is doong.
Doong tawag.
Yes.
Doong.
Yun yung
Mountain Province.
usually ginagawa ang doong before yung harvest ng palay. And then yung doong is ginagawa nila ng gabi kasi pagka sinusunod, mas makikita yung palay na nasusunod compare pagka sa araw kasi is busy yung mga tao, so ginagawa gabi. Para pag umagahan, yun yung ikakapit nila.
Alright. Wow! Thank you. Ang ganda naman story nyo. Meron akong ganun ano sana So bukas papakita ko na lang sa'yo. Alright. Thank you. So sino pa?
Gladys.
Come on down, Gladys.
Ada famous. Wala ko nung dihet sila.
Baba muna po kayo sa bus. Ito po yung face dito sa Trinidad o kaya sa Baguio at Macul. Ito yung tinatawag ng strawberry taho.
Ay, taho pala to.
Na naririnig nyo po every morning, pero ito po ay kakaibang taho dahil strawberry flavor po siya. Nakita nyo po, buo-buo po yung strawberry niya. Malalasahan nyo po na napakatamis po siya. Kaya hindi po ito yung ordinary taho na naririnig po natin, yung taho, pero ang kasama po nito ay strawberry taho. Kaya meron siyang word na strawberry. Ito, malalasahan po natin ito na para rin po siyang toppings doon sa mga nakikita natin mga cake. Pero ito po ay masustansya rin po dahil po ang strawberry ay may vitamin C. Kaya dito sa Baguio, ina-offer po namin ito sa lahat po, lalo na po yung mga bata ngayon, yung mga taga Manila na pumakyat po nito. Ito po ay nakakaibang lasa ng taho. Kaya sa atin po lahat na nakikita po natin ang presyo niya, is parang 20 rin po yung isang cup na ganyan. Marami na po siya. At meron din po siyang straw. Ilalagyan din po ng straw. Kagaya po yung ordinary taho na ginagamit po natin. Ngayon po, I hope lahat po tayo bibili. Hindi ko po galing sa bulsa ko. Sa inyo po, bibili po kayo ng taho. Libre nyo na lang po ako bilang tour guide po. Salamat po!
I'm your tour guide for today. Have you met the best chef in Baguio? Yes. No. Right before your eyes is one of, if not one of the best chefs that you will ever meet here in Baguio City. Now, he is known for cooking one of the best pinikpikan in in his rooftop restaurant. Yeah, so the process of his cooking is very extensive. It takes around 4 hours just to make that the meal set for the pinikpikan. So it's a very it's a very flavorful experience for you. So in order for you to book a table at his rooftop restaurant, you have to make a 1 week reservation. Yeah, so it's that hard to get a booking in his restaurant. So, do you recognize him? By the way, his name is Mr. Sam Cruz. In his pinikpikan, he adds more than just the traditional ingredients. He adds more. He adds kini and a touch of Mexican spice. So this is a spicy pinikpikan that you will only taste here in his restaurant.
All right, thank you very much.
And emphasize keywords as necessary and manifests willingness to answer questions and is aware of questions that may be asked, reinforces the story's narrative with an anecdote, a shared experience, or inserts light of humor. This practice this afternoon, a general feedback po, lahat po tayo kayong magsalita and everybody could talk, and alam kong you can lobby on that. We just put an additional value and depth in your commentary. Okay po ba? Yes. Parang ayaw nyo pang umuwi. Okay po ba? Yeah. Alright, wear comfortable footwear tomorrow po. If you want to get a change of clothes po for our graduation tomorrow, okay lang din po. So again, 8 AM at the DOT office, yung malilate, papasayawin ko po. Okay, papalakarin natin from doon hanggang Strawberry Farm. Yes po. After the tour, we come back here. Magkakasama naman po kasi tayo during. So kahit po hindi nyo nabunod ang Strawberry Farm, bababa po rin po tayo para mag-tour. Okay po ba? Kahit hindi nyo po nabunod yung public market at nasa Strawberry Farm po at tapos na kayo, bababa po tayo lahat sa public market para mag-tour. Okay po? Para we can listen to our colleagues. Any questions? Anong pagkain bukas? Beef? Steak? Sweet and sour pork? Sauteed pechay in olive oil and soy sauce. Oh. Ano bang tanong nyo? Nana? Alright, so let's wrap. Congratulations everyone and we'll see you tomorrow. Yun lang po, ano buhay? 7 alas 8. Alright!